Honda, along with other car manufacturers, I'm sure, want you to come into their dealership and buy overpriced parts. And the windshield wiper is no exception. If you look here, this is Honda's passenger side windshield wiper blade for a 2025 CR-V, and if you look close you can see that it's sealed. There's no way to slide that rubber wiper out there. And down on the bottom side, same thing. Let me show you how you can get it out and replace it with a rubber blade and save yourself 20-30 bucks. Alright, the only tools you're going to need is two small regular blade screwdrivers. Get a close look up there so you can see. That's all you need. And what we're going to do is get on the top side of the windshield wiper. And let me get out of here where it's a little brighter. And what we're going to do is right there where my thumb is, we're going to put one of the blades up underneath there, over on this side, one of the blades up underneath there, and just going to push them straight up through there. Not going to try to pry it or anything like that. Just let the size of the blade, thickness of the blade, raise those two latches up. Alright, got the two screwdrivers put in there. I'm going to try to show you the end of it, but I don't know if I can. Yeah, maybe like that. You can see right up in here, right there where my thumb is, you can see the latch over on this side that holds it in place. You just got to push that in far enough to get that up far enough to clear. Now, I can't take this off with one hand, so I'm going to take it off, and just all I'm going to do is grab a hold of this cap here and push it up and out. Okay, I've got it started, and what I'm doing is I've got both screwdrivers down there, and all I did was push up on the bottom of the screwdriver, and as you can see, it's flopping it right off. Okay, once you get the cap off of it, then all you got to do is grab a hold of the rubber wiper and start pulling it out. It might feel like it's stuck, but it'll come out. Just slide it out and get yourself the new one and slide it right back in. Same thing. And get the new one in just like that. Take the cap, stick it back on, and you're good to go. Just saved yourself 30 bucks or more.